There are several ways to create frames in PhotoFusion. The simplest, though, is to move your mouse over the Images button, find an image, and then drag it onto the canvas as you see here. Another way would be to click this button here, which creates an empty frame, which you can then pick up and move around, and if you like, drag an image into, like this. Finally, you can press the F key on the keyboard, hold it down, and then drag out a new frame as you see. That's a very quick way to create frames of a particular size, as you see like that, and then pick up and drop images into those frames as you like. Once you've got frames, you can swap the images just by moving over the frame ID like this. You can pick an image up from one frame and drop it into another. You can click on an image or a frame and click the delete key to remove it. You'll notice that these handles are showing up every time I select a frame. They allow you to, without using any keyboard modifiers, just resize or reposition the frame as you like. There are blue handles around the outside. The blue handles refer to the frame. There are yellow handles on the inside, and those refer to the image within the frame. That's what allows you to pan an image within the existing frame or rotate the frame, all done without touching the keyboard. You'll see also that this toolbox keeps opening up as I select different objects. What this allows you to do is to press and drag to control, for example, the border thickness, all the way from nothing up to a fairly thick border. You can also adjust the shadow. By pressing and dragging left and right, you'll see that I'm controlling the offset, or as I continue to drag up and down, I'm adjusting the shadow's softness. Finally, by dragging the image part here, I'm able to control the brightness and the contrast of the image. There are many more controls. For example, if I click here, I'm going to bring up this image editor, which gives me access to many more controls. But for the time being, just at the top level, it's good enough to just control the shadow, the brightness, contrast, and the border thickness, as you see here.